Right now, some of the best plugins that you can buy for Final Cut Pro are 30% off at motionvfx.com, and I put together a list of some of my favorites and some that I think might be a perfect fit for your videos as well. The first one is a transition pack that I'd consider to be a must-have for filmmakers. It is called M-Transition Movie, and it comes with 50 cinematic drag-and-drop transitions that range from unique dissolves to different types of flash cuts to morph transitions. The range is huge, and it is one of the coolest that Motion VFX has come out with recently, in my opinion. And by the way, the great thing about Motion VFX is that on their website, they have little videos that you can hover over that show you exactly what every single preset in a pack will do. So if I go over a plugin pack that interests you, you can find the link to that pack in the description and check out the specifics about it. The next pack is for those who create a lot of vertical content on Instagram and TikTok, and it's called M-Reels. This is a well-rounded pack with different overlay effects, titles, transitions, split screens, and more. And best of all, it also works with your horizontal content as well. Up next is a transition pack that would be great for lifestyle and fashion videos, sports videos, music videos, among others, and it is called M-Transition Tear. This is a pack of 50 different drag and drop transition presets that animate your footage in and out with tearing, crumpling, and different paper-looking effects. These transitions do a killer job at working with your footage to make it seem like you spent hours animating each transition. Then we have one of my personal favorites for the type of videos that I make, and it is called M-Review. This is a perfect pack for a lot of YouTubers and content creators, especially those who make tutorials and educational content. And the big reason why I personally like it is the glow that is added to a lot of these different presets. That glow just adds some extra pizzazz that I really like when it comes to different titles and icons. The pack comes with infographics, tools to highlight certain areas in your shot, cool buttons and titles, and even 5 different transition presets. If you're a wedding filmmaker, this next one is a no-brainer. M-Wedding 2 is a pack you will 100% use on every wedding video. It has different wedding-style intros, cinematic light leaks, wedding-style titles, placeholders, and elegant transitions. Definitely one to grab if this is the niche you're in. Another personal favorite of mine is M-Transition Film Roll. I use some of these transitions in my videos because I love this imperfect analog look that these transitions give for some reason. Maybe you do as well. These are a little gritty and made to appear imperfect, and I vibe with that a lot. But if these are too harsh for you, then there is another pack I'm going to go over that might be a perfect fit. M-Movements is a newer pack that honestly any video creator could use, no matter the niche of your video, and what it has are presets that add unique motion into your shot. So different scale-ins, pans, rotations, and some of the presets even add some chromatic aberration and lens distortion to your shot if that's the look you're going for. Quite a useful pack if you want to create a bit more cinematic movement. For documentary filmmakers, the plugin M-Documentary is definitely one to pick up. This is another well-rounded pack with 72 different presets that range from freeze frames to cinematic overlay effects to titles that look like titles that you'd normally see in documentaries, different timelines to signify what is happening in your documentary, and even some useful transitions. The next plugin is a transition pack I recommend if you want something a little less gritty than M-Transition Film Roll. I've talked about this pack many a times because it truly is one of my favorites. It is called M-Transition Noise, and it comes with 69 different filmic presets that create a glitchy analog transition between your shots. I use these presets quite often in tutorials on my channel, but they'd be a great fit for lifestyle videos, fashion videos, music videos, sports videos, workout videos, and more. And if you're curious to see how you can create sound design for these transitions, I'll link a video talking about how I made the sound design for the trailer for this pack for Motion VFX. M-Music Video 2 is not only a must-have pack for music video creators, but it's also a very useful pack for filmmakers as well. It comes with tons of different overlay effects and film mats, which I quite like, titles that work really well for music videos and fashion videos, and some flashy transitions as well. The next pack is a cool one that was inspired by YouTuber Peter Lindgren, and it is called M-Channel Cyber. It is a solid pack for YouTubers who love futuristic titles, different add-ons and pop-ups, call-outs, and transitions that all appear to be glitchy and futuristic. I see this being very useful for tech content creators and anyone who likes that modern style. Lastly, we have M-Keynote, which is another plugin pack where Motion VFX teamed up with another awesome content creator, iJustine. This pack has a whopping 100 plus presets, which can be applied to a wide variety of videos. It comes with lots of Apple-style text presets, pop-ups and infographics, placeholders, transitions, and way more. It is a good option for those who need to relay information to their viewers in an appealing and simple way. This sale lasts only until November 4th, so only 6 days left at the time of this recording. So links are in the description, and let me know which plugin you think fits your style best. I am curious to know. Have a great rest of your day.